Today I am going to explain how to write a paragraph using the information given in the table or bar diagram or pie diagram. This is question number 28, paper 2 in 10th class public exam. Okay. I am going to tell you some easy tips for even slow learners. I am going to give you some easy tips to write it very easily. Okay, let's start. Below the question, they ask to write a paragraph. When there is no subject before the verb, put there I to write it as a statement. Once again I tell you, when there is no subject before the verb, put there I to write it as a statement. I already told this before in another video. Now I write a paragraph. Here is a line. Now write a paragraph describing the information depicted in the diagram. See the diagram. Write a paragraph describing the information depicted in the diagram. See there. Now after that comma, we remove that comma. We add I write a paragraph describing the information depicted in the diagram. Write it as the first line. In the question itself there will be name of the diagram. Here is pie chart. Okay, this is pie chart. Write it as second line. Next, there will be that or which shows in the question. It relates to the pie chart. Okay, before that pie chart or bar diagram, anything will be there. Whatever it is, write it as it shows. After that, write whatever is given. This is the third line. Here it shows the cost of construction of Ravi's. Something is there. Write all that line. Okay, that is the third line. Next, how many parts are there in that diagram? See or observe the diagram and write. Here there are 6 parts. Okay, write as there are 6 parts. This is the fourth line. Write all about the parts in separate lines. Write about all about the parts in separate lines. In this diagram, bricks, labor, cement, and also some of them are given. If it is singular, we should write it is after the subject. If it is plural, we should write or after the subject in the sentence. Okay, here bricks. In this diagram, bricks are 10%, labor is 25%, cement is 20%, steel is 18%, because steel is singular and so we put is. Okay, here bricks are plural and so we put are there. Okay, after each we put full stop. Steel is 18%, full stop. Timber is 15%, full stop. Miscellaneous is 12%, full stop. Here we are starting the line with miscellaneous and steel and timber. Okay, so we put there capital letter. Miscellaneous capital M capital letter, steel S capital letter, timber T capital letter, next L capital letter, cement C capital letter. After the sentence we put full stop compulsorily. Okay, capital letters and full stops are important. Write carefully. If you write like this, there will be no grammar mistakes, no spelling mistakes. Okay. Tomorrow I will tell how to write about bar diagram. Okay. Today it is enough. There will be another question. Try to write it. Okay. Here is one question that is also pie diagram, but heading is given. Write that it is about. Okay. If there is no sentence, it is about, write that heading. Okay. Write this question. Try to write. I will explain tomorrow. Below the diagram there is a line. Using that, write first line. Okay. It is enough. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.